Hey there, to the Tech Hunt! In a world where you can have 3D scenes rendered in a real time as your smartphone's background, plain black wallpapers are not the most eye-catching option. However, they can offer battery life improvements over colored wallpapers. Most people know the display is one of the most battery-hungry element of any smartphone. But what they don't know is that the wallpaper they choose, yes, wallpaper can make a significant difference to battery life. A pure black or general dark colored wallpaper or background can actually save power over a lighter one. It just depends on the type of screen you have. First off, we need to share a bit of display technology information. In the smartphone market, the majority of display are either AMOLED or LCD. I wouldn't go into too much detail, but if you want to know more, comment below. For many portable devices, including Apple's iPhone, you cannot save any battery life by using a black background. Like on a computer's LCD monitor, the iPhone's backlight is constantly shining when the screen is on. However, this does not apply if you are using a mobile device with an AMOLED, also known as AMOLED or OLED display. OLED screens don't have a solid backlight. Each pixel on an OLED screen is an organic light-emitting diode that produces its own light. When the pixel is black, it is not producing any light. When the pixel is white, it's producing light. In other words, if you use a black background on an AMOLED display, your display will produce less light. This will help save battery power, squeezing more battery life out of your device. To check the type of display your smartphone or tablet has, examine its specification or perform a Google search. To set a plain black wallpaper on Android, just download a black wallpaper and set it. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful and worth the time. For more information, check out the description box below. Leave your suggestions down in the comment section. Subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.